Welcome to Woven Sutures tutorial series. Let's learn how to make a single crochet. For foundation, make few chain according to the length of the project. Here I done 10 chains. Need to skip first chain from the hook on the starting chain. Yarn over hook, pull through the hole. Now you have 2 loop on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops, 1 single crochet made. Keep crocheting in the next stitch. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull it through stitch, yarn over again and pull it through both loops on the hook. Crochet in each stitch of the row until the end. Now we have finished crocheting this row of 9 single crochet. Turn it over and we'll start with a chain stitch. Continue crocheting the next row. Find the second stitch from right to left and we'll start here. Repeat in each stitch here 2 row of single crochet. Then you keep crocheting and you'll get a gauge swatch like this. 1. Have you learned this basic crochet stitch? Yet see you next time with another basic stitch.